This is the best evening I ever had in my entire life. Hi, I'm Nilofer and welcome to another travelogue with me. Today I'm here at the capital city of Kerala, Trivandrum. So I'm here with my family. My dad has a conference here, but no, I'm not going there. I'm going to explore this beautiful city and I'm going to take you guys with me. Trivandrum translates as the city of Lord Ananda. So I'm going to start my journey by seeking the blessings of Lord Ananda here at Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple. This is an iconic place here. If you are coming to Trivandrum, make sure that you pay a visit. So what you see behind me is Sri Padmanabha Swami Temple and Lord Vishnu is the main deity here. So let's walk towards it. Visit. I actually didn't get in there because you have to have a particular dress code for that. But yeah, it was a nice experience. I want to go visit that place. And now we're going to Trivandrum Zoo and Museum. So let's see if we can find a bus. So I'm right now at the KSRTC North Bus Stand and I was informed that I'll get my bus in platform 5. So what you see right behind me there, that is the museum. But before going to museum, I want to have something cold, refreshing because it's super hot and I'm exhausted. Alright, so I ordered a lemon juice and this coffee house is not much fun. There's another coffee house right near the KSRTC bus stand. I absolutely love it, especially it's really fun. Like the architecture is it's like a spiral. We got into the museum and I'm gonna take my tickets. That is the ticket counter. Actually, zoo and museum is in the same compound. You can see the crowd, right? It's a very long queue. I'm not going to get tickets for zoo. Actually, I won't be even able to cover it. It's so vast, and this is the oldest zoo in Asia. So if you are into zoo thing, maybe come visit. I'm gonna skip it. I do want to visit Napier Museum. It's an art museum. An interesting thing about the zoo is that you all know the epic movie Life of Pi, right? So it was actually adapted from a novel called Life of Pi. It was written by Ian Marter. So he happened to visit Trivandrum Zoo. Okay, so he happened to visit Trivandrum Zoo a few years back. I'm not sure when, and he came across this lion called Simba. He was actually, he or she was a disabled lion, and the story was inspired from Simba and a lot of other animals here. I think that's a good enough reason to visit zoo. If you are planning any trips in South, make sure that you have a lot of sunscreen with you, otherwise you're gonna burn yourself here. Today is January 26th. Happy Republic Day, everybody. But unfortunately, Napier Museum is closed today. Yeah, zoo is open, but Napier Museum is closed, so I won't be able to get in. Sad. I really want to visit this place because they have a lot of the finest art collections, the original ones, especially of Raja Ravarma's. A lot of his works are here, so I really want to come and visit this place, but I can't. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna sit here for a while, just chill, because this now feels like a heaven. It's super hot outside. Another thing I want to mention, most of the attractions here in Trivandrum, including zoo, museum and Kovalam Lighthouse, are closed on Monday. So if you're planning a trip, make sure that you plan accordingly. So if you visit here, one thing that you will easily notice is the architecture here. It just stands out. The thing is, this kind of architecture is called as Indo-Sasanic. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So it is a combination of both of Mughal, Chinese and Malabar influence. So it's 1:30 now and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna get myself some solid lunch. I'm a South Indian who's obsessed with Sadhya. So I googled it up and I found a hotel called Mother's Plaza. It's quite popular here for Sadhya, it seems. So we are now going to Mother's Plaza. At our Sadhya destination, Mother's Plaza. Let's get into it. Okay, this place is super crowded. I got a seat and you have to pay the cash up front here in the counter. Waiting for my food. First ഇവിടെ ദാൽ മാത്രമാണ്, പിന്നെയാണ് സാമ്പാർ.
ഫസ്റ്റ് സെക്കൻഡ് സാമ്പാർ, സാമ്പാർ കഴിഞ്ഞ് പായസം, പായസം കഴിഞ്ഞ് ചോറ്, പുളിശ്ശേരി, രസം, ഫിനിഷായ.
കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ഓർഡറാണ്. ഫൈനലി സാമ്പാർ. പക്ഷെ സദ്യയുടെ ടേസ്റ്റ് ഒന്നും വേറെ ഫുഡിനൊന്നും ഇല്ല. ഇപ്പോൾ പരിപ്പ് കഴിഞ്ഞു, സാമ്പാർ കഴിഞ്ഞു, നെക്സ്റ്റ് പായസം. I had my anatomy professor, Rose ma'am. So once she visited Trivandrum and when she came back, she actually brought body for us. Just stand here. Next, പിന്നെയും റൈസ് ആണ്. നമ്മൾ എന്നിട്ട് 3 പോർഷൻസ് ആയി ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം. ഒരെണ്ണത്തിൽ പുളിശ്ശേരി, വേറൊരെണ്ണത്തിൽ മോര്, വേറൊരെണ്ണത്തിൽ രസം.
But this one, then this is second one. This is the buttermilk is the last one.
Alright. Starting with പുളിശ്ശേരി. So good. Buttermilk and I'm done with my lunch. I'm so happy and satisfied, and I'm so grateful that I found this restaurant. Oh my god, this was literally the most fun and adventurous thing I did today. For me, especially trying out something very different from what I used to have. Like Sadhya, the odor was completely different, and even everything tasted quite different from what I used to have. It was so much fun. Our next destination is Kovalam Beach. So I have to first get a bus to Kerkekota, then I have to get a bus to Kovalam Beach. From Kerkekota, you can get a bus to Kovalam. 7 more kilometers to Kovalam. Super sleepy. So now we are at Kovalam, and yeah, I'm walking towards Kovalam. After that long 30-minute ride, we are finally here at the Kovalam Beach. This beautiful beach along the side of Arabian Sea is one of the major attractions here in Trivandrum, and it is a definite must visit for beach lovers like me. It's around 3:30 now, and you can see there are a lot of people here. Definitely a lot more will come after 4 something. Everyone is having so much fun. That's one thing about beaches. Like, people are like really happy here. That just makes me happy. Such a beautiful beach, guys. The water is like really blue, which actually I'm surprised at. Taking a break from the walk, but this beach is stunning. see that lighters, right? That is our next destination. Let's see if it's open.
ക്യാമറ ഉണ്ടോ കഴിക്കണോ കഴിക്കണോ
കുഴപ്പമില്ല ഇപ്പൊ തന്നെ ആവശ്യമില്ല ക്യാമറ. I'll just show you what I'm saying. It's just stunning. It's spectacular. I don't even know how to describe it. Look at this. And literally there was a single person here. Oh my god. Did you see it? Oh my god. This is so nice. I want to stay here forever. This is literally the best thing I ever saw. It's actually a dream of mine to have a whole beach to myself. Someday I'll do it, maybe. This is so beautiful. I don't even know how to describe this. I feel extremely blessed. Oh my god, this is the best evening I ever had in my entire life. Oh my god, I feel super special. I don't know why. I think we should go now. Actually, I couldn't get into the lighthouse. It closes by 5:45, and then I came across this. I don't want to go. Look at that beauty. And I'm going back. I'm feeling super sad. But thank you for showing me this. Hi. Okay, I have to go. Okay, that's all. Please. Trust me, my camera doesn't do justification to this beautiful sunset. I unfortunately can't stay back to see the whole thing, but please, if you're coming to Kovalam, make sure that you watch the entire sunset because it's spectacular and you don't want to miss out on that. But I have to go back to that conference thing my dad has called, so I'm leaving. If you're you're a beach lover, I can totally watch on this place for you. I promise you, you'll have a memorable, amazing evening. So if you're coming to Trivandrum, you want to come here. Don't miss this. Come to an end of Trivandrum vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click that bell icon right next to it so that every time I vlog you get notified. And next vlog is going to be in Cochin, so stay tuned. See ya.